No one can ever take your memories from you. Each day is a new beginning. Make good memories every day. Wishing one and all present here the best for the day. Along with my friends, I welcome everyone to today's virtual assembly. Every morning brings us new thoughts, new strength, and endless possibilities. So, to enlighten us and brighten our morning with Lord Almighty, here comes Bravely Jasmine to sing a prayer song.
Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul, worship His holy name.
Holy Bible is defined as a book believed by people to contain the revelations to God. Words from Bible is said to be the words of God. Here comes Bettina from 9A to read the Bible.
Good morning. I am Bettina Jaswin V from 9th A. The Bible reading for today's visual assembly is taken from the book of Ephesians chapter 5, the verses 10 to 17. And find out what pleases the Lord. Have nothing to do with the fruitless deeds of darkness, but rather expose them. It is shameful even to mention what the disobedient do in secret, but everything exposed by the light becomes visible, and everything that is illuminated becomes light. And that is why it is said, "Wake up, sleeper, rise from the dead, and Christ will shine on you." Be very careful then how you live, not as unwise but as wise, making the most of every opportunity, because the days are evil. Therefore do not be foolish, but understand what the Lord will is. These are the words of the God. Praise be to the God.
Thinking is an important mental process. It helps us to define and organize experiences, plan, learn, reflect, and create. So, here I call upon Abhishek to say the thought of the day.
Good morning to everyone. I am Abhishek from 9th day. I am here with the thought for the day. Today's thought is, live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. Explanation. It's important to seize the day, but always make time to go deeper and wider in your learning. I do repeat, live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever.
The Tirukkural is considered as one of the most revered ancient works in Tamil language. It is considered as a common creed providing a guide for human morals and betterment in life. Here I call upon Jeevan Nasik from 9A to say the Tirukkural.
வணக்கம். திருக்குறள் அதிகாரம் 49 காலமடைதல். குறள் 482 பருவத்தோடு ஒட்ட ஒழுகல் திருவினை தீராமல் யாக்கும் கைது. விளக்கம். காலம் தவறாமல் காரியம் ஆற்றுவது ஓடும் செல்வத்தை ஓட விடாமல் கட்டும் கயிறாகும். காலம் உணர்ந்து அதற்கேற்ப செயல்படுதல் அந்த நற்செயலில் வெற்றியை நழுவு விடாமல் கட்டி பிணிக்கும் கயிறாக அமையும். மீண்டும் குறள். பருவத்தோடு ஒட்ட ஒழுகல் திருவினை தீராமல் யாக்கும் கயிறு.
Punctuality is not about being on time, it's about respecting our own commitments. Here I call upon Gracelyn Sobel to share a small speech on punctuality.
Tomorrow promises a lot but fulfills very little. Good morning, everybody. A lazy person cannot be punctual. He can never complete all his works on time. Here is a story about Manu and Bose. Manu and Bose were good friends. Both of them were equal in their performance, maybe studies or sports. Manu is regular and punctual, but Bose is very lazy. He used to postpone everything. Every day, Manu goes to school on time, but Bose will not go to school on time. On account of National Cricket Day, they had a competition in their school. The competition was to write an article about cricket. The winner of the competition will get a cricket gear as a gift. Both Manu and Bose decided to join in the competition. Next day, Manu went to library to collect information about cricket. He called Bose. Bose said, "I will go evening. Now I need to sleep." They had to submit their activity in the next day before 5 p.m. Next day, Manu submitted the activity in the morning, but Bose submitted the activity after 5 p.m. Next day, the teacher announced that Manu won the first prize. She told Bose, "Your article is better than Manu, but you have not submitted it on time. So you lost the prize." Manu was awarded with a cricket gear. At last, Bose understood his mistake. He understood that punctuality makes us good achievers. So students, be punctual in every stage of our life. Thank you.
The teacher plants the seeds of knowledge, sprinkles them with love, and patiently nurtures their growth to produce tomorrow's tree. Here I call upon our respected sir, Mr. Sajin Singh, to give a speech.
Good morning, everyone. On this fine new day, let's have a glance on punctuality. Punctuality is a habit of attending a task or anything on time. It is the key to get success in life. Also, it builds your self-confidence. For students, it's a great blessing. Time is very precious. If you want to shine, we should use the time properly. Punctuality gives more time to think and act. If the exam starts at 10 o'clock and we go to exam hall at 10:15, though we prepared well, we will shiver. This shivering may cripple our thinking capacity. But at the same time, if we are on time, we will get enough time to think and act. Great men never reached great heights suddenly. They work hard by knowing the value of time. Time is very strong and powerful. Time is very strong and powerful than everything in this world. It may destroy the lazy person as well as strengthen a hardworking person. Look around us. What nature? The sun which shines in the morning, the night comes next. All seasons follow their own timeline. They too symbolically teach us about punctuality. So, cultivate the habit of punctuality and shape your life towards virtue. Be a punctual one and a happy one. Thank you.
Thanks is described to express your gratitude. Being thankful makes people happy, positive, and improves positive vibes. Here I call upon Mohammed Faris from 9A to share the vote of thanks.
Good morning to the Honorable Correspondent, respected Principal, teachers, and my dear friends. I hope you all enjoyed the virtual assembly that our school organized today. It gives me an immense pleasure to deliver this vote of thanks. First of all, I would like to thank the God Almighty who had made today a wonderful one. And I would like to thank our school correspondent father, Principal Sir, for giving us this opportunity to be here in this assembly. I would like to thank our teachers and all my friends who had made this assembly a successful one. Thank you everyone for spending your precious time with us. Thank you.